I would just like to apologize from my end as a software engineer for the cancel culture that is frequent amongst these technology companies and the woke group of people that enforce this cancel culture onto the majority of the population. I just feel so guilty because I'm a software engineer, but I'm obviously not a part of that woke group of people. I am not like them. I'm originally from South Africa. I come from a labor-intensive background. I was forced to work with people. I was forced to learn to work with others. People from different backgrounds, different cultures, forced to learn to speak the languages, Xhosa, Sesotho, Sepedi, and there's nothing. I'm actually glad that happened. I'm actually glad that happened because I learned to accept the truth, the fact of the matter that we are all the same. We're all human, and if we are all put in different environments, if our environments change, we would also change, and our actions would also change, and we'd also improve and be able to do better. So I truly believe no one is better than no one, and I just feel so guilty, sad, and disheartened about this cancel culture. That's this small group of people that are absolutely, they're just a sad bunch of people. And I just wanted to let you know, we all have problems, we all have debt issues, we all have the ordinary life problems, and there's no reason to take your problems and force it upon someone else. You have to detach those sort of issues from work. You have to find a way to detach. Otherwise, you shouldn't even be in that position. So, yeah, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a part of that woke group of people, but it's obviously affecting my YouTube channel and my TikTok profile as well, because obviously I'm into software and programming and I really enjoy what I do. But I just feel discouraged when I see there are people like this in the industry, and I would never want to work with those kind of people. Definitely not, because they don't know how to work with people. That's just what it is.